Welcome to the Power Collab June edition, part of the Power Platform Learner series. We are excited to have you join us for the another edition of the Insightful series, where we deep dive into the capabilities of the Dataverse, Dynamic CRM, Power Platform, and of course, the rapidly evolving the world around the Microsoft Copilot. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just a beginner, journey in this space. This series is designed to offer practical insight, expert discussion, and the real-world guidance that you help you to get the most out of these powerful tools. You will hear us from the industry leaders, explore advanced features, and walk away with the tips and the best practices you can apply right away. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you never miss out. We continue to bring you fresh, valuable content throughout the year. Today's session, we will cover exciting new offerings, explore the core strength of the Dataverse, Dynamic CRM, and the Power Platform, and of course, you won't leave out without the Copilot, which is transforming the way we interact the data and the system. So let's dive in and explore what is new and what is next. Today, I will be talking to you on a comprehensive comparison between the Copilot Agents Flow and the Power Automate Flows, two powerful tools within the Microsoft ecosystem designed to streamline the automation process and enhance the productivity. While both serve automation purposes, they differ significantly in their architecture, use case, integration capabilities, and user interaction models. This overview will help you to understand when to use which tool, how they complement to one another, and what licensing and the limitation to consider for your organization. Copilot Agent Flows and the Power Automate Flows serve differently but complementary purpose within the Microsoft ecosystem. Copilot Agent Flows are designed to automate the conventional experiences using the AI-driven agents. They are triggered through user prompt or the intent within the Microsoft Copilot and operate within the contextual memory-based session. These flows are built using the Copilot Studio, offering a dialogue-based design experience and tailored for the natural language interactions. They natively integrate with the large language models, the LLMs, memories, plugins, and orchestration layers, making them ideal for the real-time conversational scenarios. A skill required for working with the Copilot agent flows include the prompt engineering, conventional flow design, and orchestration responses with the backend services. In contrast, Power Automate flows are general purpose tools focused on the business process automations. They support a wide range of the trigger types, including even its event-driven, scheduled, manual, or the API-based triggers. And they're created using the flowchart style interface in the Power Automate Designer. These flows are stateless by the default, unless context is explicitly passed. Power Automate also integrates with over 1,000 default connectors, supporting both Microsoft and the third-party services like SAP, Salesforce, and much more. AI capabilities are optional and can be added using the AI builders or Azure OpenAI connectors. Power Automate excels at workflows logic, data transformation, and the system integration. From the licensing perspective, Copilot Agent Flow required a Copilot Studio license available via the Microsoft 365 or the standalone, while the Power Automate flows required the licensing per user, per flow, or an included in selected Microsoft 365 plan. Each tool has a strength. Example for the Copilot agent for scenario like booking meetings, answering the HR queries, or retrieving the data conversationally. Use Power Automate for the structure workflows such as approval, system integration, notification, and the data processing. In terms of the extendability, Copilot agent flows can call the Power Automate flows, utilize plugins, and invoke external APIs. Power Automate support the custom connectors, scripting, and the HTTP action to for the greater flexibilities. Security is handled contextually in the Copilot agent flows based on the agent role or the session data, while the Power Automate follows broader Power Platform governance policies. Ultimately, choosing between them depend on the nature of the task, real-time conventional assistance versus workflows, and the process automation. Let's have a quick look like how the interface look like. So if you can see on the screen, this interface is more for the home screen of the Copilot Studio Designer. And in the home screen, in the left plate or the left navigation, you will see the flows here. When you land it to the agent flows, you can start by describing your agent flows, or you can start by clicking on the new agent flow. Let's try to start by describing your agent with the new flows. And here you will see some of the prompts if you want to use one of them. Otherwise, you can write your own text. Because of the time, I'm just using one of the prompt. When a tweet is posted, post a message to a team channel. And I just click on submit icon, and then you see like it is started. The flow was started when it happens, and then action around that, and everything has been there. I can redefine or refine this query, or I can keep it in continue. Then you see the connection, like what all the connection it required. So you might need to sign in on for the X account, or formerly Twitter, and then you have a Microsoft Teams, which has been automatically signed in because of the browser context. And once you submitted it, then you get a new agentic workflows ready for you. In the same way, when we go for the Power Automate flows, it's an old typical design. And on the left navigation, you will see a lot of the options there, right? And if you go and try to create a new one there, again, you can try to create a new one from the prompts itself, or you have a lot of the options available, a lot of the templates available. You can start it from anywhere, or you can directly start by prompting your context there. So when the new item created in the SharePoint, send me an email, and then it start working on, and then it can generate the complete workflow for you. So yeah, you can keep it and continue. Then it asks for the triggers and the action, and then it shows you all of your permissions, and then you can create a flows, or you can redefine based on your business requirement. And then with the new interface, you can see the entire flow there. Let's conclude our topic now. So Copilot agent flows are ideal for the real-time contextual support actions during the customer interaction. Power Automate flows are the best suited for the complex event-driven business process automation across the multiple services. Choosing the right tool depends on your scenarios. You can use the Copilot for the agent empowerment and the Power Automate basically for the broader workflow automation. Both tools complement each other's when used strategically and can work through to build a more intelligent and efficient service experience. Example, if you need to consider the licensing, complexity, and the user interaction models when choosing the right automation approach, let's take an example there. So Copilot agent flows are designed for the quick real-time interactions with the individual action typically time out after the 30 to 120 seconds. These flows run within the active Copilot session, which may automatically end after the 15 to 30 minutes of interactivity, depending on how your system has been configured. They are not ideal for the long running operation or the complex errors handlings, and have a limited retry capabilities based on the plugins or the orchestration settings. In the contrast, Power Automate flows are built for more robust, long running processes. Each action has a default timeout of 90 seconds, but that can be extended, especially for the HTTP calls, up to 30 days. Power Automate does not maintain the session state, it's a stateless execution, and flow can be included delays, loops, or durable timer to support your operation that is spent to the days. Additionally, Power Automate offers the configurable retry policies, making a well suited for the resilient and extended automation workflows. Align your automation strategy with the business goals and the user need to get a maximum impact with that one. Thank you again, all of you here in the call, to provide your valuable tips and the tricks. Also to the audience as well, to extend your tremendous support for us. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe it and like or share the videos within the community with your friends. Also provide your feedback in comment section that what episode you want to cover it next. If you want to join the Power Collab group and learn along with us, just drop me or anyone us in a message over the LinkedIn. Till that, have a great time and happy learning.